Well, the morning after Arvind Kejriwal walked out of Tihar jail after being granted an interim bail by the Supreme Court, the Delhi CM is wasting no time in performing the acts for which he was granted relief. Kejriwal is diving headlong into the AAP's campaign for the Lok Sabha election, and he and his party are likely to leave no stone unturned in their bid to make the most of the time given to them before Kejriwal has to surrender once more on the 2nd of June. Today, even as it continues to come under attack of the BJP, which says there's nothing for Kejriwal to celebrate, the AAP chief, who is not allowed to enter Chief Minister's office or Delhi Secretariat, made his way to the Hanuman Mandir at Connaught Place. He was accompanied by his wife Sunita Kejriwal and Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, along with the top AAP leadership. He has a lot more planned in the day, including a press conference at the AAP headquarters, as well as 2 roadshows in South Delhi and East Delhi. We have Priyank, who's getting us more details from outside the Hanuman temple that the Chief Minister just visited. Tetri is also with us on the broadcast. Priyank, Arvind Kejriwal, accompanied by his family, top leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party, and also the Chief Minister of Punjab, has taken blessings from the Lord. And now, of course, he's going to address a press conference at 1, which will be crucial to track because it's the first official press conference, isn't it? And when he was behind the bars, his wife used to deliver his message.
Yes, certainly, Swati. It's an important day for the Aam Aadmi Party because they have got the Sanjeevani Booty with Arvind Kejriwal coming out on interim bail after the Apex Court has given an order. Yesterday, when Arvind Kejriwal came out from Tihar jail, he had given an open invite to his supporters that they should come here and seek the blessing of Lord Hanuman. And after visiting the Hanuman temple, now Arvind Kejriwal is there at the Shiv and Ganesh temple. But quite interestingly, in this political season, the manner in which Arvind Kejriwal had given an open invitation to people to come here in large number, which is not being seen on the ground here. So this is politically certainly something which the Aam Aadmi Party will have to think over the period of time. There are media supporters, there are supporters of Aam Aadmi Party, but the kind of massive gathering which we were also expecting after the open invite from the Chief Minister by the Ahvan, which was given by Arvind Kejriwal, is not seen on the ground. But certainly Arvind Kejriwal will start his political campaign. He will go to the Aam Aadmi Party office where he will be deciding the strategy. But there are several restrictions which is there on Arvind Kejriwal, that he is not visiting his secretariat, he is not signing those files, and neither he is trying to get in touch with those individuals who can be influenced over the period of trial. So the carcade of Arvind Kejriwal, Bhagwant Mann, both the chief ministers of the state of Delhi and Punjab is stationed here. They have been waiting for Arvind Kejriwal to come out, and soon after he comes out, he will be taken to the Aam Aadmi Party's office. But once again, the expectation which people were having that there will be a very massive gathering here, it's not seen on the ground.
Well, the massive gathering is that an indication of something we don't know? But it's a weekend and it's really hot out there, Priyank. Stay on with us. Well, remember, the Supreme Court set certain conditions for Kejriwal's bail and ordered that he will not visit Chief Minister's office and Delhi Secretariat. Kejriwal is not allowed to interact with any of the witnesses or have access to any file related to the case. The court also asked Kejriwal not to make any comments about his role in the case. Meanwhile, celebrations broke out in the AAP camp as Kejriwal walked out of Tihar jail last evening. His message to the people was AAP will continue its struggle against what he said was a Tanashah government of the BJP.
आप लोगों से एक ही निवेदन है, हमें सबको मिलके देश को तानाशाही से बचाना है। मैं तन मन धन से लड़ रहा हूँ, संघर्ष कर रहा हूँ तानाशाही के खिलाफ, लेकिन 140 करोड़ लोगों को तानाशाही से लड़ना पड़ेगा। कनॉट प्लेस हनुमान मंदिर में सब लोग आना, ज्यादा से ज्यादा हनुमान जी के दर्शन करेंगे, और 1 बजे पार्टी ऑफिस में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होगी। आप सब लोगों का तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
We have Mr. Sirsa joining us on the broadcast. Manjinder Singh Sirsa ji, Arvind Kejriwal, after walking out of jail, said that he is fighting against Tanashahi dictatorship and gave a call to people to turn up in large numbers outside the Hanuman temple where he is right now. But our reporters tell us that there is no such massive gathering that one was expecting.
So definitely, because people of Delhi are well aware that Arvind Kejriwal is involved in a liquor scam. And he was promoting something which was totally against the ethics of his party also and for the people also. serving them a liquor and giving a bottle free with one bottle. This was his concept to earn the money. And now, when he's out on bail, it is not that Arvind Kejriwal is the first person to got bail to contest for elections. There are few other cases also. Even if you remember, the Bikram Singh Manjithia, whom Arvind Kejriwal has blamed as a drug mafia, he also got a bail to contest elections while he was arrested in a drug case. And also, Mr. Upadhyay was involved in Ramesh Upadhyay in Malegaon blast, who was accused in a blast case, who also got a bail to campaign for election. It is nothing new. The criminals and the hardcore criminals have also granted bail to contest elections. So one thing is clear from yesterday's judgment, that court also felt that she is involved in a in a liquor scam. That is the why court has really stated that he has to surrender on 2nd of June. So he'll be behind bars in a jail for a case in which he has took tons of money. So it's very clear that he's a corrupt politician. That's the reason he'll be in jail after.
All right, you're saying nothing new in this. All right, Mr. Sirsa, thank you very much for speaking to us. Let's also listen into reactions coming in from the AAP leaders. Delhi Minister Atishi spoke on Arvind Kejriwal's Hanuman Mandir visit. Listen in.
देखिए, दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी और पूरी आम आदमी पार्टी के लोग हनुमान जी के भक्त हैं और तिहाड़ जेल से निकलने के बाद कल सबसे पहले अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने यही कहा था कि वो हनुमान जी का आशीर्वाद देने के लिए हनुमान मंदिर आएंगे। तो आज वो अपने परिवार के साथ, पार्टी के बाकी नेताओं के साथ हनुमान मंदिर दर्शन करने आ रहे हैं। कुछ ही दिन पहले सुनीता केजरीवाल जी भी हनुमान मंदिर आई थी हनुमान जी का आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए, और उन्होंने तब भी कहा था कि वो उम्मीद करती हैं कि जल्द वो मुख्यमंत्री के साथ आएंगी, और हमें इस बात की खुशी है कि वो मौका जल्द आ गया है।
So this reaction was before Arvind Kejriwal visited the temple. He's right now at the Shani temple. Tejshri, there are live visuals coming in, but you are reporting from outside the AAP office, AAP headquarters. And what's happening over there? There is a press conference at 1 p.m.
Yes, I am reporting. I am standing in fact outside Aam Aadmi Party office, where we are expecting that Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal along with Chief Minister of Punjab Bhagwant Mann will be reaching party office in a short while from now. And let me tell you that the ministers have already started reaching over here. Atishi, Saurabh Bharadwaj have already reached. The Karyakartas are also reaching over here, because certainly it is a big day for Aam Aadmi Party after Arvind Kejriwal walked out of jail after 40 days being lodged in Tihar jail. And then this is a big day planned by Aam Aadmi Party, where he visited, offered prayers at Hanuman Mandir, then Shiv Temple, and then he will be addressing the press conference. But you know, this press conference will be a very important press conference, because we'll also have to see that how and what kind of attacks Arvind Kejriwal is going to make on the BJP and on the Prime Minister itself, because we have seen in the past also that direct attacks have been made by CM Kejriwal. Because also we have to keep in mind that it will be very important also for Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal himself to keep in mind on the conditions on which he has been released.
As far as restrictions are concerned, Arvind Kejriwal certainly cannot talk about his role when it comes to the investigation, the Liquor Gate case. But he's given us a glimpse of what he could say politically, based on what he said right after his exit from Tihar jail.
Well, yes, that is what is important. He, in fact, while he walked out of Tihar jail, he said that people of Delhi are with me, and that the kind of support that they are showing, and that is why he also asked for their support in today's rally and roadshow. We'll have to see that how these political campaigns, the election campaigns, the rallies unfold, because Delhi is all set to vote on 24th of May, and very few days are also left for Aam Aadmi Party to campaign. So it is important to see that how Aam Aadmi Party again reorganizes itself, gathers the cadre, and what kind of message does Arvind Kejriwal has.
Well, all that remains to be seen. Yes, right now the Chief Minister is seeking blessings of the gods, after which at 1 p.m. he is going to address a press conference.